Microsoft is committed to supporting educators and schools, inspiring classrooms with technology, improving education outcomes, and fostering student achievement. That's why we welcome you to Partners in Learning, a global support network with professional development training, community discussions, free software, step-by-step tutorials, and tested lesson plans. It's free to educators and schools all around the world, and you can get started in minutes. First, visit pil-network.com and register. Once you've signed up, it's easy to explore the resources, discussions, and programs, and connect with other members. When you get to the free resources, we recommend downloading the Learning Suite. It's a special selection of software just for education and brought to life on the Windows platform. The Learning Suite is the ultimate educational solution. Choose the apps you want or select them all. Now you and your students can step through equations in Math 4.0, navigate the universe in Worldwide Telescope, create 3D environments from your own photos in Photosynth, and much more. To kickstart your ideas, browse the learning activities. There are thousands to choose from, all created by working teachers using software you already have or can download from the site. Learning activities come with videos and downloadable resources, and some include learning objectives, assessment rubrics, or examples of student work. You can upload your own videos, activities, and best practices and share them with the community as well. For even deeper inspiration, join the community discussions. Any Partners in Learning member can start a topic or contribute to the popular groups covering primary, secondary, and higher education. You can also use the Partners in Learning network to search for other educators and schools from around the world and connect classrooms together. Perhaps your classes are studying geography or a foreign language, and you want to connect with a teacher in that country. With the Partners in Learning network, finding great educators is simple, making cross-country collaboration and best practice sharing easy. Microsoft Partners in Learning is open to any school, teacher, or educational staff member worldwide. Start inspiring your students today with new ideas, tools, resources, and tutorials. Join us now at pil-network.com.